What is up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? And welcome back to Pixel Gun 3D reviews. So I beat the story mode, all of the story, and I got OX bad code number. But this time we're gonna be doing a review of the snowstorm gun. I'm gonna prove to you that I beat the story, so let's go to the campaign. Pixelate. I beat Pixelated World. Wait, I'm gonna Pixelated World, Blackboard, and Class Worlds. I'm gonna show you. I beat it. Beat all of them. Beat all of them, guys. Alright. So let's get to this gun review. Let's get it in. What's up, guys? George. Follow the drink. Follow the drinking gourd. The man is waiting to carry you to freedom. If you follow the drinking gourd, follow the drinking gourd. If the old man's waiting to carry you to freedom, if you follow the drinking gourd. We only need light iron armor. Alright, let's get it. So this gun is really good. Let's test it out. Alright, working good. What is this doing? See, I told you it works perfect. It works so good. Where'd it go? Nice and simple. It's cool. Actually, guys, we're not going to do a gun review on Co-op Survival because these guys aren't giving me a chance. They're not giving me a chance. They're not giving me any chances, guys. They just don't want me to do it. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean that. I meant adventure. This time, I put it on easy, so we're going to put it on hard. Hard, you can get 3 per... I'm getting 3 coins. I'm getting 37, 38, 39. So let's do the farm. You already know this. Complete the level to get golden coins. Kill all monsters. Kill monsters quickly. Win without any damage. Should be pretty simple. There we go. You're dead. Oh crap! Guys, and I'm wearing my Ninja Tabi boots. I got all the boots. Almost all the boots. Only need one more. Where is this? Where are you, zombie? I'm gonna try out the Firestorm. Firestorm is cool. Let's try it out on you. It literally kills them freaking quick. We're gonna be trying this. Now let's try this out. So it does damage a lot. It does a lot of damage. It does a lot of damage, guys. It does a lot. Bing. turn it back to easy. Yeah, well, that's the snowstorm review, gun review. That's the snowstorm gun review. Yeah, let's go to battle now. Let's do some battle. The old man's waiting to carry you to freedom. If you follow the drinking goal. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Spooky theme park. Follow the drinking goal. I need light iron armor, Dracula, and the pumpkin, and Sword of Shadows. Sup? Sup? Lucky Sniper. Lucky Sniper was in the game yesterday. I don't care. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Jack him. Mommy? Let's go, Jack him. Can I get... Well, can I get pork chops? Why not? Huh? Please, I want pork chops. I've been thinking about it all day today. Mommy, please. Don't we have another pork chop? Please. Mommy, please just fry me a pork chop. They're quick to cook. Please. I just wanted some.
I said I'm not. And you know what you gotta do? You first of all, you don't listen. You got your shoes and stuff down here. Your shoes should be upstairs.
Where is he? Wait. Mommy, can I please just have some food?
No, George, no, George. Because you keep on asking me and I told you no. Now. Over that way.
Oh, I forgot to end the video.